Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to add music to Threads post easily. Threads now lets you spice up posts with songs just like Instagram. First of all, open the Threads app and tap the compose plus button at the bottom, and then below the text box tap music icon. First of all, what you have to know is the music feature is still rolling out, so it may not appear in every region yet, like mine's, which I am not being able to see the music option. But if it is in your region, it will be right below the text box. Tap the music icon and then pick a song, browse or search for the track you want, tap it to preview, then drag the slider to select the exact part of the song you want to play. Next, tap done when you're finished, then finish writing your post. Then when you hit post, the song will play with your content visible to everyone scrolling. If you change your mind, edit the post and remove or swap the track. Safety tip: only use official songs available in the Threads library. Don't upload copyright tracks manually or your post could get muted. And yeah, update the Thread app in the App Store. The music feature is still rolling out, so it may not appear in every region yet. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.